If you're looking for the best car mode and gadgets, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Most popular Redtiger 4K Dual Dash Cam. Real UHD 4K plus FHD 1080p Dual Dash Cam. The Redtiger F7N Dash Cam offers top quality 4K 3840*2160p with Sony Starvis sensor on front camera and 1920*1080p on rear camera that captures super clear view. Help you read most details from street signs, license plate, etc. Wide-angle dual cameras capture all pedestrians and vehicles around the car, providing sufficient evidence for rear-end collisions or collisions, etc. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. The 4K backup car camera has built-in Wi-Fi with easy connection to your smartphone app. With the Ucam app, it's very convenient to operate live preview, playback, and device management on your smartphone. What's more, video files can be downloaded to smartphone and shared with your friend by social media. The built-in GPS can easily record your driving route, driving speed and other information, which will become your important evidence. Sony Sensoran Super Night Vision F7N Dashcam with Sony Starvis sensor improves low light sensitivity, allowing clear imaging in low light environments. The combination of f1.5 large aperture and 6 glass lens, professional WDR, HDR technology ensures the clarity of images at night. Eliminates the need for an auxiliary light source. Even in low-light environments, car license plates can be easily seen. Lifetime warranty and 24-hour customer service. Our greatest pursuit is to satisfy the needs of consumers. We are willing to provide a lifetime warranty for the products, and it can be exchanged for free within 1 year. This is definitely the most powerful guarantee on the market. We offer 7*24 hours technical support. If you have any queries, please feel free to contact us on Amazon or the contact information on the page of instructions. Number 2. Cobra Rad480i Laser Radar Detector. Front and rear detection. Cobra's new laser eye technology detects signals from both the front and rear of your vehicle, giving you all-around protection wherever your adventures take you. iRadar app, know what lies on the road ahead. Receive real-time alerts to red light, speed camera, and law enforcement activity from a community of over 3 million drivers. Long-range detection. Next-generation updatable IVT filter and advanced anti-falsing circuitry intelligently reduces false alerts from blind spot systems and other vehicle avoidance systems. Early warnings. Digital signal processing provides faster processing for all incoming laser gun signals and rapidly provides accurate alerts, making you aware of a threat before it is right in front of you. Everything you need. The Cobra Rad480i radar detector comes with a 12V vehicle power cord, suction cup car windshield mount, and a hook and loop fastener for dash mounting, for wherever the road takes you. Number 3. High Road Stash-Away Car Trash Can with Lid. An undercover leak and waterproof car garbage bin. Leak-proof car trash bag attaches to center console or headrest with durable reinforced straps to keep wet and dry trash covered and contained. Stashes car trash off the seat and floor, out of sight and within easy reach. High Road designed the original stuff top rubber lid to keep our compact car garbage bag covered, even while filling. Won't collapse, stands up to heavy use. Heavy-duty vinyl lining keeps spills contained. Sturdy front and back panels and side braces add stability, keeping the trash can open and upright for easier filling. Secures to center consoles or car seat headrests. Simply buckle the heavy-duty strap around a headrest or loop the cinch lock cord around a front lift console lid for easy reach from the front or back seat. Gearshift attachment is not recommended for driving safety. 3 storage pockets hold liner bags, wipes and sanitizer. The original patented Stash-Away features a slim design to fit all vehicles, heavy-duty polyester and durable, sturdy construction. Based in Portland, Maine, High Road has developed problem-solving car organizers since 1990. Number 4. ThisWorks Car Vacuum Cleaner. Practical, a mini vacuum for car or truck that is compact, lightweight, 2.4 pounds, and easy to use. This small dustbuster is ready for ash, dust, or drive-through food spills. A fully loaded interior car detailing kit housed in an ergonomic design. Effective, this handheld vacuum is made for on-the-go use and solving out-of-reach problems. A very sandy day at the beach? A coat of dog hair? The portable vacuum cleaner for car is designed to solve problems. Powerful, the cyclonic force and strong suction of the 106W motor on these handheld vacuums will terminate any dirt, debris, or hard-to-reach crumbs. Our mini car vacuum even has a top-of-the-line washable filter. Interior car cleaning kit includes 3 attachments: flathead, extendable, or brush nozzle, for detailing, carry bag, filter brush, and spare filter. Must-have car accessories for women or men, these gadgets will keep the interior cute and tidy. Convenient, is the battery always dying when you need a car vac? These truck accessories for men and women use the 12V AUX outlet for power. The 16-foot cord gives you the slack you need to clean the back seats or trunk without a snag. Number 5. Tycarve Cleaning Gel for Car Detailing Tools. Taxi perfect for car cleaning. Dust cleaning gel for car is perfect for cleaning the nooks and crannies in your car or truck. Cleaning car gel cleaner is super great to get into the vents and little crevices on the car air vents, steering wheels, console panel, storage bins, cup holder, door handles, dashboards to pick up the dirt. Automobile easy to use. Take out the dust cleaning gel with dry hands, knead a few times. Press the car vent cleaner slightly on the dust surface, and pull out the car cleaning putty slowly. The dirt would be carried away with the car cleaner slime. Oncoming automobile reusable cleaning gel for car interior can be used multiple times till the color of the car goo cleaner car jelly cleaner turn to dark. After use, just put the car goop cleaner back into the jar in sealed storage in cool place, below 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Non-potable water note: don't wash the car cleaning gel with water. Herb high-tech material. Car slime for cleaning is made of high-tech cleaning material with lavender scent. Cleaning glue for car sticky dust but not sticky to hands. Car cleaning goo pick up dust and debris and leaves no residue. Delivery truck brand new package. All Tycarve car putty cleaner are sold brand new. If you find that the package is opened or damaged, the cleaning gel dirty, or any other issues when you receive the cleaning gel putty, please message us in time. We will give you a full refund and send you a new replacement. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.